Hey there, I'm Chris, and I'm on the product team here at ConsignCloud. We're glad you signed up for a trial of our software, and we want you to get the most out of it. We made this quick introduction to our software to get you up and running quickly. Let's dive right in. One of the things that's unique in resale is the amount of work that goes into managing inventory and suppliers. You have a lot of items to track and a lot of suppliers to pay. A second saved for every item can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. At ConsignCloud, we obsess over saving you those seconds. It all starts here on the home screen. From here, you can create accounts, you can add inventory to your store, and you can ring up sales. Because you need items to ring up sales, and you need accounts to add items, in your first trip through ConsignCloud, we suggest that you work from right to left. After you've created some data for your store, there are a few ways to look at it. You can use the search here to look up individual items, or you can use the tables here in the sidebar to work with groups of items. In the age of Amazon, retailers have to be smart to be competitive. ConsignCloud puts your data right at your fingertips so you can understand and improve your business. We do this through powerful tables that allow you to sort and filter your way to find answers to questions that you have about your business. Tables are also helpful for processing large batches of items at once. For instance, if you want to take a handful of items in your store and return them to their consigners, you can do that using tables. Well, if you like what you see so far, the last place you should stop is Settings. In Settings, you can set defaults for your store to save yourself even more time. You should set up things like categories, taxes, and surcharges before you enter a lot of merchandise. Staying competitive in retail today also means keeping your brand professional and attractive. The last bit of settings down here are for software customizations that will keep your store looking sharp and savvy to your customers. Well, that's ConsignCloud in 2 minutes. Of course, software that serves a diverse market like resale has a lot more under the hood than this, but these basics will help you understand how ConsignCloud works and where we focus on bringing value to your store. If you come up with any questions along the way, let us know using chat. It's down here in the corner when you're logged in. We read and reply to every message as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.